In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a website on hosting a website builder by using pre-built sections or pre-built templates. So without a delay, let's get started our video. So hosting a website builder itself is a free tool, but you must need to have a hosting from Hostinger to use it. And to get a hosting plan from Hostinger, you will get a link in the video's description. Just click on it and you will land on this page. Scroll down and click on get 20% discount. It will take you to the Hostinger's official website where you can see you are invited to Hostinger, get an extra 20% discount. If you go through that link, you will get an extra 20% discount on your first purchase of hosting plan from Hostinger. To get this deal, just click on claim deal and it will take you towards its plan page, and you can see they have multiple plans like premium, business and cloud startup, and also you can compare them by seeing how many websites you can host on those hosting plans. So you can see you can host up to 3 websites on their premium plan, 50 websites on their business plan, and 100 websites on their cloud startup. And also you can see their monthly prices. So compare them, and once you make your mind, just click on choose plan and it will take you towards your cart page, and you can see it's cart of Hostinger, and it's open your cart page, and you can see it opened a 48 months period, and you will get this hosting plan for just 105 USD for 48 months, as it's their uh, Black Friday deal. So also you will get 2 months free hosting, 2 extra months of free hosting, and you will also get a free domain from this plan. Also, if you want to reduce the duration, you can always reduce the monthly period, and for 12 months you will get it for just 36 USD, and also you will get a 20% discount of 9 USD if you go through that link. And for the 48 months plan, let's check how many. You will get around 27 USD discount if you go for a 48 months plan. So uh, it would be better if you go for a 48 months plan, because if you purchase 48 months plan today, you will not have to worry for the renewal of your plan after every year. So it will be better if you purchase a 48 months plan, but it's up to you whether you want to purchase a 12 months plan, 24 months plan, or 48 months plan. So after choosing a plan, just click on continue, and create your account using your Gmail or email account, and you can also use your GitHub account. So that process is very easy. All you have to do is just to create your account, add your card details or your PayPal, and continue that purchase. So I have just logged into my Hostinger account, and to create a new website, I have to go towards the website, and on the websites list there will be a list of all the websites I have already created on my hosting. So I have to create a new website. So I will click on add website, and I will choose hosting a website builder. This is the AI website builder actually, which allows you to create websites, but you can also create websites manually. So I have already created a dedicated video which I will mention in the description of this video, where I have shown how you can create a website using hosting a AI builder by just giving simple prompts. So let's take a moment to load this screen. So after taking a while, this page is opened where we can create a website by giving a prompt here. I have already created a video, so this time I will scroll down and click on pre-made template. And here I will choose blank templates, as I'm going to create our website from scratch. So I'm going to choose blank templates, and after clicking on blank templates, I have to scroll down, and there are a few templates, and a few of them contains a little bit of content, but I want to create it from scratch. So I will choose this blank side where start from scratch is written. So I will click on select template, and this template will be chosen, and it will take me to the backend from where I can manage to create my website. You can see this empty page is open, where you can already see this page is empty, is shown here. So on this page you can see there is a header which is currently invisible, uh, because we do not have any content here, so our header is invisible. So if you want to create a landing page only, you can hide this section, or if you want to create a multi-page website, so you can enable it. So as we are going to create a multi-page website, so we need to we need to make this section visible for all the visitors who want to visit our website. So creating but before making this section visible, we first need to add content on our page. So this page is empty, and right under this you can see there are button add template, add elements, and here you can see add section. So if you click on add elements, it will open this element section, and if you click on add section, it will open a section library, or pre-built templates, pre-built sections, from where you can choose whether you want to add hero section here, whether you want to add testimonials or contact section, about section, whichever section you want. So if I click on add section, it will open pre-built templates, or you can even choose uh, AI to create a section, or if you want to create a section from scratch, you can also you can also create it using add blank section. I have already made a video about it, from where I have shown you how you can create a website from scratch, in which I have shown you how you can create sections by using add blank section, and uh, after adding that section you can add elements on it. But this time in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website using pre-made sections. So here you can see these are the templates of the main section, of the hero section, or you can also choose a list from here, where you can see main, about, services, product category, contact form, subscription form, map, testimonials, projects, resumes, or images, galleries, etc., etc. So you can choose any section from here. So as we are going to create our hero section, so I think this one will be suitable, or let me browse through these things. Uh, I think this one or this one, these two sections suit our hero section. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select from here. So as I have added this image, this heading text, this paragraph text, and a button here, so you can see this is the our pre-made templates elements. So now we have to edit this. So uh, we have to adjust it according to our requirements. So you can see this is our header. No, I do not want our hero section to be this bigger. So I have to choose this image, and first of all I have to reduce its height, and then I will bring it at the center of this page right here, and then I will reduce the length of this section. And after that you can see we can also grab our heading, our paragraph, our button, whatever element we want, or we can even group them, and then we can drag them from anywhere on this on this page. So after dragging the image, or after reducing the size of our image, I want to reduce the height of this text, or typography size of this text. So I'm going to edit text, and instead of Roboto, I am going to choose the font as Poppins. So I will scroll down and choose this Poppins regular. So you can see this font style is changed here. Also, I want to reduce its size from 64 to 48, and that's perfect. And for the heading, or for the paragraph, sorry, I'm going to edit text again, and instead of Lato, I'm going to choose Inter, or no, I think Monster Art will be good here. So I'm going to choose regular, and 18 is fine. Also, you can change its color as it is black, so you can choose any other color. Like if you want to make its color to red, you can see it's changed into red, but I want to bring it back to its original black color. And also I want to um, group them and bring them back over here. And for the image, I want to bring it at the center. So you can see there is plenty of lines around here which guide you whether you are at the center of this page, center of this section, or if the distance between them is equal or not. So you can also check out these guidelines, and after that we can edit this button. So I can click on this button and then go to edit button, and instead of created I am going to type buy now or click here, whatever you want to write here. So I have just entered click here, and then you can choose its link, whether you want to uh, send the clicked one to a web address or an internal page or an internal section or a phone number or email address. You can always set anything from here. So I'm going to choose page right now, but I will change it according to our progress. And then I have to change its style. So for the style, I am going to make its radius, instead of corner radius, instead of 28 to only 8. As you can see, there is a little bit of circular shape around its corner. It's not fully circular, but it's a little bit of circular. So you can edit or update it anytime. And the if I go to edit button again, and in style you can also see there is a hover effect here. And if I click on it, and then what I can do is to change the fill color to black, and change the fill color to white, and text color to uh, black, and border color to black as well. And if I hover over it, so you can see our image is hovering with the black background, or black border. So you can see this is our border color. And if I preview it, so you can see, I think I have to uh, enable the border color, enable the border in the this one as well. Yes, that's the issue. So I have to give border width to 1 and border color to this. So you can see now, if I go to the preview, so you can see our border is available here. So now on for this image, if I click on this image and go to the edit image, so I can add any image here. So if I click on replace image, and you can see there is an image already here, and you can also upload file or upload an image from your device, but I'm going to go with free images. So I think I have to go with this camera image, and then if I click on add to page, so you can see this image is beautifully added to our hero section. And if I grouped all of these things, and now you can see there is a yellow line at the center of this page, which indicates that our products, our elements are at the center of this page or at the center of this section. So in this way, you can create a hero section of your website from the uh, pre-built or pre-made sections, pre-made temp elements. So after that, after the hero section, we need to add another section. So I will click on add section, and this time I will uh, choose another section which could be the about section. So instead of about, I'm going to choose services, and here you can see there are a list of pre-built sections. So I'm going to uh, select, I guess, mm, this one. So I'm going to click on this, and our services, and I'm going to add a text, and instead of robot I'm going to make it Poppins regular, and for the text I'm going to make it monster art and regular, and there is a list of our services. You can anytime add these titles, you can anytime edit these paragraph, or you can add images here. So I'm going to uh, change image here, and search for services. So I can add random images here, as it is just a tutorial based website. So let's suppose it is a tech based company which gives tech based services. So I'm going to add this image, and then click on add to page. So you can see this image have been added. Also, if I go to edit image, and uh, if I want to edit this style of this image, so I have to go to the style, and you can see there is a corner radius of 20 pixels around this image, and if I increase the size, you can see the radius have been increased. So instead of 59, I am going to bring it back to the 20 as its original size, and under this corner radius, you can see there is overlay opacity. So if I increase the opacity, uh, you can see there is a little bit of dullness around our image. So if I make it 100%, it will change its color to black, and you can see this is how the opacity works. And you can also change the shape of this image. You can also change the shape of this image. Instead of this uh, corner based shape, you can make it circular, you can make it rectangular, or whatever shape you want to add around the number of shapes available here. So instead of choosing these shapes, I am going to bring it back to its original size. And also for this uh, title, I'm going to choose Poppins and Poppins regular, and instead of bold, I am going to bring it back to the normal, or instead of 20, I am going to make it 24. So a little bit of difference remain clear between the text and the paragraph. I also added text, and then I'm going to change its uh, font style to Monster Art regular, and I will do the same with the other images as well, and with other heading and paragraphs as well. So I'm going to do the same here, as I'm going to make it Poppins regular, and reduce the boldness and make it 24, and do the same with this one, with this paragraph, and make it Monster Art regular, and I will do the same here. And before that, I'm going to replace this image with our free image of tech, and let's see what kind of results it will show. So I'm going to use this image, and for the third time I'm going to uh, take another image, and I'm going to take an image of text here as well. So I think this image seems good here. And on the edit text, I'm going to make it 24 and reduce the boldness. But before that, I'm going to make it Poppins regular, and then I'm going to reduce its boldness. And for this paragraph, I'm going to make it Montserrat regular, and in this way, we have created our hero section and our services section. So I'm going to save it, and after that, if I preview it, so you can see this is how our website is looking like, and that's not actually bad. So after that, I'm going to the editor, and after the uh, services section, I am going to add another section which will be about section. So uh, I think instead of about section, I am going to choose the um, product category, or mm, let's see what we have on the product categories. So here you can uh, showcase your different product categories, like in the tech if you are giving services of website development or website designing, so you can categorize those categories here. So you can we can also add this section here. So I'm going to add this one here, and for this one, for this subheading, I am going to make it Montserrat regular, and keep its height the same. And then for this one, I'm going to make it Poppins regular, and let's see what was the size of this one. 48. So this should have to be 48, and that's it is 48. For this image, I'm going to change image, and so this time if I search for coding, so let's see which results it will show here. So you can see these are some results. I think this image will be suitable according to the size or the resolution of this uh, image. And for the second one, category title, and I'm going to type coding, and make it Poppins regular, and undo its boldness and make it 24. And here you can type your uh, description about this service, and make it Montserrat. And I'm going to use the same uh, designing for this button like we have did the but I think this one suits here. So what I can do is to change the uh, typography of this button. Instead of enter, I'm going to make it Poppins regular. So you can see it's looking great here, and I'm going to do the same with the other one. So you might have got the idea what I am doing. So I'm not going to take more time in designing all these separate ones. So I'm going to add another section, and this time I'm going to add about, and uh, I think mm, this one really suits here, where you can add the image of your company. So let's see, you have a tech company, and so let's see what it will show here. And I think this image will be perfect here, and I'm going to make a group of them and drag them over here. And now I'm going to change its typography to Poppins regular, and for this I'm going to make it Montserrat regular, and you can always change the color of this one, but I'm going to keep it as it is, but I'm going to change its typography to Poppins and do the same with this one and make it Montserrat regular and do the same here this in this way. And now I have to make a group of all these things this way and then bring it at the center. So you can see this is the center of our page from both the sides, horizontally and vertically. You can see there is a yellow and blue line which indicate that our uh, content is at the center of this section. So after that I have to save it, and after saving it, if I preview it, so if I go to the preview, you can see this is how our website is looking like. It is basically a plain rough website, but it is just to give you an idea how you can use hosting a website builder to create your websites without writing a single line of code, without doing complex designing. You can drag elements anywhere. You can create any kind of design using hosting a website builder. So I think I have to change the section background colors to make them different from each other. So I'm going to add section, and section color I'm going to make it a bit of a grayish one. So this one seems better. For the third one I'm going to choose the same color, which is here, this one, and for the next section which I'm going to create will also have the same background color. So I'm going to add a section, and after the about section I am going to add I think testimonials. Testimonials will be good, but I think before testimonials I have to add projects section here where you can showcase your projects, your previously completed projects. So this way, so this template will uh, does the job for us. So I'm going to change it to Poppins regular and change it to Montserrat regular. After that, I'm going to replace this image and search for website. Suppose you have created few websites, and you can showcase those websites here. So let's choose this coding image, and I'm going to add this image to our page. So I've added this image here, and then I'm going to give it a title, but it is up to you whether you want to uh, give it a title of a website through WordPress or a website through custom coding. It's up to you. And heading will paragraph will be Montserrat. I will do the same with this one, but I assume that you understand what I am trying to do, so I'm not gonna do it for all the things. Also, I am going to change the background to this grayish color, and if I save it and go to the preview, so you can see this is the current look of our website, and it is looking impressive. Instead of a few little things, a few little concerns, it's looking perfect. Now if I get back to the editor, and after that I am going to add another section, and this time I am going to add a contact form. No, not the contact form, I'm going to add testimonials actually. So let's choose better testimonial form, and this one seems better. So right here I'm going to uh, change its text color to Poppins regular, and this uh, subheading or paragraph, whatever you want to call it, to Montserrat regular, and this one you can also choose the background. You can also change the background color of this shape to blue, green, whatever you want. But I'm going to return it back to its original form. Also, I'm going to change this paragraph into Montserrat regular and do the same here. So it seems identical. Also, I have to increase the height of this one here and this one here. So that's perfect, and then reduce this one, and make sure to save every element, make sure to save every progress of your website, and then after that I'm going to add a contact form, so user can contact me if they want me to make websites for them. So I'm going to add contact form, and uh, let me see which one seems perfect here. So I think this one will be fine. So here you can add the image of your company, your working space. So I'm going to choose tech company again. I'm going to search a tech company. I think this one will be good here. And then get in touch. I'm going to make it regular, Poppins regular. And then for this form, I'm going to edit form, and I have to uh, make changes in this form. So I'm going to edit field. You can add field instead of name, last name, uh, email, message. Whether you want to add phone number, so you can choose it from here, like short answer, and here you can choose its type to the phone, and on the label you can type phone, and on the placeholder you can type your phone number, and then you can drag it over this message and even email. Here you can see this is over here now, and let's go to the style first. So after that, all we can do is to make changes on the form. So let's change the text of this form. Instead of Lotto, I'm going to use Montserrat regular. So you can see the label and the uh, placeholder changed. And after that, I think the colors will remain the same. Rest of things are perfect here, and let's change this button. So to change the style of this button, I have to go to change button style, and here I have to um, change its radius into 8 instead of 50, and color will remain the same. And now for the button uh, typography, I'm going to make it Poppins regular, and then go to the hover effect. Fill color will be white, and text color will be black, and the border color will be black as well, but I have to enable the border in the normal color as well. So border width will be 1, And now you can see if I hover over this button, here is a border here. Let me show you after saving this progress. And if I go to the preview now, and you can see there is a background uh, color. There is a background color change in our button, and it shows a black thin border when we hover over it. So in this way, you can design your home page of your hosting a website by the pre-built templates, by the ready-made sections. So we need to create a footer as well. So let's add another section, and this time I'm going to choose a footer here. So you can choose any type of footer, like you can show a map here, you can give your social media links, or you can also add a form in your footer, but I think this footer will be suitable for our page. And it is asking me to uh, it is asking me if I want to add this footer at the pages as well, or if I want to add that footer only on this page. So I'm going to add it to all pages, and you can see our footer have been added. It contains a newsletter subscription form and your contact details, social media icons, and your address. So you can do the same. You can do the editing in their style the same way I have done this before. And for this subscription form, you can also use the same style which I have done before. Like if I change it to monster or regular, so you can see it's changed its color. And in the same manner, you can uh, edit this button style like I have done this. I have done before this with this button. So after that, after adding the footer, we need to add a header as well. So let's click on the header, and this section is hidden. Now I want to make it visible. So I'm going to click on show section, and now our header is visible. If I take a preview of our website now, so you can see that our header is visible now with just a logo image and all the other footer elements or all the other website content. So now we need to add menu here as well. So if I go to the pages, and you can see our home page is added, but it is hidden from the navigation. Now if we want to show it on the navigation, so then we have to drag it from here to the main navigation. And you can see our home page have been added here, but it is on the very right corner of our section. So let's adjust it as well. Let's click on edit header, and let me choose this style. So you can see our header, our menu have been added at the center of our page. So after that, I am going to add another page, which will be the about page or contact page, whatever page you want to add. So let's go to the pages and click on add page. Now you can see there is a list of ready-made pages, but you can also go with the empty page. But as I am creating this entire website using ready-made templates, ready-made sections, so I'm going to choose a section from this library. So let's choose a section from here. For the about section, I think this one will be perfect as it contains a lot of content. So let's choose this one, and you can see we have now home and about pages. So our about page has been added as well. You can make changes in any kind of content here, like if you want to drag this hero section of the about section, about page at the center of this page, so you can bring it over here, and also you can make it alignment to center like this. And for the heading I'm going to make it Poppins regular, and for the footer I'm going to make it Montserrat regular. And now will that will be perfect here. So in the same manner you can change this image. Like if I go to the edit image and search for the text, and let me add this image, this coding image here. And you can see we have just added our this image here. And you can do the same with this image as well. Also you have our team section here where you can uh, added the images of character here. Like if I want to uh, change this character into the image of this man, so it will automatically change into this. And you can do the same with all these characters, or if you want to add new characters you can simply duplicate it and place it right under this by increasing the height of this section, and place it right under here and edit it according to your requirements. But I do not need to add new team members, so I'm going to reduce the size. And then I am going to add the background colors into this to differentiate one section with another one. And then I am going to do the same with this. So you can see we have just created our about section using all the pre-made resources, and that's amazing. Now after that about section, we have to add another page which will be contact page. So I'm going to choose the contact this time, and here I will add my contact details like this one. This one seems great. You can also edit the name of this page, and you can also change its URL. And you can see it's at the center of this page. And uh, you can edit this form like I did before on our home page. Also you can edit all these places. You can edit the map just by clicking on edit map and add your address here. All you have to do is just place your right address, and it will fetch it automatically. And then you can change this image, and you can uh, I think there is no need to add this section here. Instead of here you can simply add it uh, right under here. So what I'm going to do is just to cut it from here and paste it here, and place it right under here. And then will delete this section, and this one will be white, this one will be of that grayish color. And I think instead of this color selection, let's reverse this cycle. Mm, and make this section white and this section gray. Let's make this one gray as well. So perfect. Now if I save it and take a preview. So you can see this is our uh, context section. You can change the typography like I did before. I'm just uh, showing you how you can do it. So I'm not going to change each and every text here, each and every uh, text typography or typography style. So not the Poppins regular, it's Monster Art. So in this way you can create home, contact and about pages. Mhm. So after that, let's add another page where we will show our projects, our services. So let's go to the pages and add a new page. And this time I'm going to add services page here, and I think this one seems better. And then I'm going to save it. And here you can see our services page have been added. Let's bring this section at the center and make its alignment to the center. Also, you can edit this text like I did before, and you can make changes in this image, this text, and here your website is ready. So in this way, you can create a website using hosting a website builder. So after making changes, make sure to save it, and once done, make sure to click on go live, and your website will start publishing. You will get a free domain once you purchase your hosting. But as I have used mine, I am using a temporary domain. So let's publish it. So our website have been published now. If I click on view site, so you can see this is our website. This is our live website, and you can see it is fully made with ready-made templates, ready-made designs, ready-made sections. So in this way, you can create a website using hosting a website builder. Hope this video helps you to learn something new, and if so, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.